Welcome everyone. So today we're going to solve a very nice question. Okay, trust me, literally only a genius could figure this out. That's true because at the end people got stuck and they did not know how to correlate. Okay, so let's understand this. We have 0.25. Let's write this as fraction. So this will be what 25 upon 100 the whole raised to x equals to x. Okay, now what I can do is this can get cancelled. Okay, so let's try to write it in its reduced form. So I have 1 upon 4. Now instead of x, let's take root of x on both sides. So this comes out to be what? 1 upon 4 is equals to x raised to 1 upon x. Now 1 upon 4 can be written as what? 1 upon 2 the whole raised to 2 equals to x raised to 1 upon x. Correct? Now, if you see the correlation, if you put the value of x as half, your entire question becomes equal. So from here, this is where the deduction thing made a mistake. People thought that value of x cannot be half and all of that. But no, yes, you can put the value of x as what? Half. So here I can say from here I can say value of x is what? Half. Okay, so now let's try to put this over here. So I will say 0.25 raised to half means basically taking square root of 0.25, that is nothing but what? 0.5. Okay, this is nothing but 0.5. Square root of 0.25 is 0.5. Okay, then what we can do is, okay, so before people get confused, 25 upon 100, that is nothing but what? 5 upon 10 square root, that is 1 by 2. Okay, 5 upon 10 can be written as 0.5. Right, 0.5 is nothing but what? 1 upon 2, and that is the value of x, which is your RHS. So I hope this is very, very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.